One Wabash Valley man is driving home in a new car tonight and helping a good cause along the way. Earlier today, United Way of the Wabash Valley gave away this Chevy Sonic. It was part of a contest for people who gave the organization $50 more this year than last year. 3 finalists showed up this afternoon. Each got a key, and the one with the right key won the car. The winner was W.A. Tindler.
I never did enter in a contest like that, and I've ever won many contests, but I feel sort of exhilarated.
Well, it sounds like he needs to enter more contests. The 2 runners up in the competition got something too. Each won a car detailing package from Terre Haute Chevrolet.